Hey everyone. Last class we had seen about the application discovery pattern. In that class we had seen about that mongoose web server, those kind of steps we had written, so that the in the mongoose web server we can able to populate the paths in the CMDB web server. So today we are going to see about the same mongoose web servers, some further requirements. So let's create further steps for above this create CA name. So let's create it a new step above. Let this debug progress. Let this progress can be complete. Let's select this one. Let's wait for some time. Now I just provide the operation as parse variable. Here we do have that enter variable, define parsing variable regular expressions, right? So let's make the variable as a process executable. So under process in the temporary variable, we need to select that process executable. If you select this one, you can see that process dot executable, like that you can see. Uh, Now I just provide the define parsing as a regular expression. Let's add the variable. So let's retrieve it. So if I retrieve this kind of mongoose can be populated. So for this kind of output, we just want to provide some versions for this mongoose.exe file. So let's go to the Microsoft virtual machine and then let's rename the mongoose web server. So let me open it. So here is the mongoose mongoose.exe file. Let's provide some additional name for this mongoose.exe server. So for that, I just provide space 5.5 like that. So if I provide it, the we can able to define the version, right? So now I just want to do the discovery again, whether the name has been renamed or not. Discovery got completed. Let's check the CMDB_CA. So here now you can see the mongoose space 5.5.exe. Again, let's change this process classification. Once we copy this and make it paste in here. So once we make the mongoose space 5.5, let's check the discover again and check. Once the mongoose name has been changed, the PID also uh, changed 5116 actually. So let's change it 5116 and connect it. So the PID due to the changes in PID, we need to change the path parameters contains the name also, and also here also we need to change something. So you can able to see the mongoose 5.5. In here also you will get the mongoose 5.5 like that. Exact underscore version. Then in the regular expression can make mongoose space mongoose space slash d dot slash d. We make this, the 5.5 has been selected as per the regular expression rule. So if we test this one, it will be showing us a value of 5.5. So executable version. Now let's go to the create CA name. Before we go for that, just make this step as get executable version like that. So this is our executable version. So in the third step, we can make the create CA name. Here we can provide target table. So here can provide this dollar name underscore details. So if we provide it, we can make the additional field name as a version. And here dollar executable version. So this is the other one. Source and target are the same. Let's test this. So these are all the name, the path and the version. Now add a fourth step below of this one. We can name this as get more process information. Get information. Here you can provide the operation WMI query. Click advanced. The root space will be slash root slash CIMV2. So this is our namespace. Then we can select the statement. For that, we should need to write the very SQL kind of query we need to write. We can provide that is some formation is this one. Select the maximum working size page file from the Windows 32 process where name like mongoose. Like that we need to make this. And the target table will be more underscore process underscore info. This is our target table. So select this one, terminate if not found, and test this one. So now you can see the page files as 1138, internal class name, internal var, object reference as null, internal namespace, class, row number, maximum working set size, handle. This kind of information you can get. Now we can create the fifth step. Below, operation could be merge table. First name can be name details. Then process info. or underscore process underscore info. This is the second table. Target table could be as a web server. CMDB underscore DB underscore CA underscore web server. This is our target table. Then condition has to be written in here. Let's make the process in this one as executable path. So let's provide this as a executable path is mongoose. Let's let's save it and test it. It's saved. So let's test this one. So you can see the available files and other kind of things. Let's close it and publish. Let's publish this one. So all can be set. Let's do the discovery and discover now. So once we discover, you can able to see the step by step process when comparing with the pattern designer. So let's let this 10025 status can be completed. Let's come back again. So now the discovery got completed. In the exploring CA pattern, I can click this one. Let's check the steps. Now you can expand this one and see the steps. So we forgot to make the name for this one. So let's name this after we check this steps. So you can see those executable info, then version, and we are creating the CA name here. The more process information we can able to see this. Finally, the full merge of the CA. Full the merging we are merging the whole CA into this one thing. So we can name this as a merge info to the CA like this. So if we make that, you can able to see the name in once the discovery got completed, you can see the name also. Once we completed these things, so we need to be very conscious what are the things are missing, what else is need to be complete the requirements. Let's see in the next class for those kind of questions we have. Uh, that's it today's video. Thank you.